welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this 7-inch Android Auto Apple CarPlay screen from Auto ABC. Really excellent product. Allows you to have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in any car. That's right, any car. All you have to do is set this up. They have several different mounting options, several different ways to get sound out through either the built-in speaker or through an auxiliary cord, auxiliary plug in your car, or most importantly, and this is what I love about this, you can just use your car's Bluetooth. If your phone's already connected to your car's Bluetooth for audio, for phone calls and things like that, then you can just leave that like it is, connect to this. There's an option you're going to see to be able to keep it so that this just serves as like the display interface for CarPlay, but the audio just goes through your car's Bluetooth. You put your car on the Bluetooth input and you're all set. You can use your car's built-in mic, your car's built-in speakers, all through Bluetooth, and it works great. So really excellent little screen, but let's jump in my car so you can see it in action. Alright, so here we are in my car, and this is the Auto ABC 7-inch CarPlay Android Auto screen. I'm going to go ahead and start my car up, and this is plugged in, so when I start my car up, it's going to power up, and you see you get the little cool boot logo, race car screen, there you go, that's a little tone, all that can be adjusted in the settings. This is your main screen here, and you can see you have CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, or Android Cast. That's if you want to mirror your phone, but to me, the best thing to use this for is for CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, because I've connected my iPhone to this before, it's going to boot right into that. So you can see I went right into CarPlay. I've got my CarPlay buttons here. I've got my icons there. Full CarPlay experience, just like you would want. This little button here, this can be turned on or off, but this button allows you to quickly go back to that home screen and or adjust the brightness and or adjust the sound level or go back to the home screen. There's other settings in here you can do as well. You can set brightness there. You can go to CarPlay there. Now, one thing about it is if you're connected to CarPlay, it's always going to want to go to CarPlay. Settings allow you to change the tone, that little tone you hear. You can change that, the screensaver, the wallpaper. You can affect your voice control, dimming, the driving position, which isn't going to matter on a 7-inch screen really, but it just switches the map from one side to the other and the menu from one side to the other. Factory reset and firmware version. Now I want to bring your attention to one of the coolest things about this is the audio input. You can choose to play speaker, CarPlay, Auto, FM, or aux. So by putting it on CarPlay Auto, what that's going to do is instead of the sound coming from this directly, it's going to play the sound through my car's Bluetooth system. So this would just be the screen for CarPlay or Android Auto, and the sound will play through my car's Bluetooth system the way it normally would when connected to your car's Bluetooth. What's awesome about that is for phone calls and things, it just uses your car's Bluetooth system the same way it normally would. So it's great. You'd also use your car's microphone for phone calls, which is going to be the best experience because it's going to be a really good microphone for phone calls, for using Siri or any of that stuff. So, hey Siri, send a text message to Google Voice Mobile.
What do you want to say to Google V?
Hey, what's up?
Sending. Hey, what's up?
So you can see the experience is exactly what you would want. The audio you can hear is going through my car's speakers. And same thing for music and stuff, maps, directions, and everything works just like you would think. Maps works. If you go to maps, that's a good experience. Everything is just, it's cool because not only is it working the same way that Android Auto would work or Apple CarPlay would work if it was built into your car, but it's completely wireless other than the power cord. And the fact that the sound is sent to Bluetooth is really, really awesome. And you can see the scrolling experience and everything is great. Works really good. You've got all your apps here that you would have. Of course, you can go into Apple CarPlay settings and change what apps show up or don't show up. Messaging is great. But yeah, I love how simple it is to use, how easy it is to use. The screen looks great. It's a nice, easy to see screen. And I love the fact that the audio sticks to the car. So it just makes that thing really easy. Hey Siri, dial 611.
Calling 611.
And so
Welcome to T-Mobile.
it's displayed
As
here,
part of this call,
but
and
you can
subsequent
hear
interactions from this
the
call,
sound is
T-Mobile may
actually
collect
playing over my
information
car's
about you
Bluetooth
to provide
speakers.
the best service possible. To learn more, go to T-Mobile.com/privacy. Hi.
So you can see, even though the call was made through CarPlay, it's using my car's Bluetooth. And that's a better experience because you're going to use your car's microphone, your car's speakers for the call. It's just using it this way and having that option to just use your built-in Bluetooth. If your car has Bluetooth, this is the best way and the most seamless way to integrate CarPlay or Android Auto device like this with your car. It just works excellent. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, you can still connect to your car using the auxiliary cord from here, running from here into an auxiliary if your car has that. Or you can do the FM transmission, although that I would not recommend, but you can use it if that's all you have options to use. And there's a built-in speaker in this, and it's a decent little speaker. But again, the best option if your car has Bluetooth is using that method. And that's what I love about this, is the fact that you do have that option to have the sound go directly to your car's Bluetooth speakers. The visuals are going to this screen to use for your visual interface. And it just works great. Really, really awesome little screen, and just a great way to get Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your car. So as you can see, really works great and just simple. It's basically plug and play. The first time to connect, it'll take you about 5 minutes to get set up. You just follow the instructions on the screen to get it connected the first time. Really simple, really easy, and then you're good to go. After that, you get in your car, you start your car, this will start up, and your phone will just connect to it automatically. If you have your car set to use the Bluetooth method, then that's the best way, and your phone will automatically connect to your car's Bluetooth as well, and you're just good to go. You don't have to do anything. You have this great Android Auto or Apple CarPlay interface, and you can use that to hands-free driving and control stuff with your phone that you need while you're driving, maps and texting and stuff by voice. But you don't have to worry about the sound. The sound is still the high quality because you're getting the sound through Bluetooth. When you make a phone call, you're using your car's built-in mic for the phone call, which is going to give you the best experience for all that stuff. So just really excellently designed Android Auto Apple CarPlay screen by Auto ABC, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, click that like button. If you know anyone might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.